Hi beauties! Did everyone enjoy the first video of the Halloween snowy fox makeup? Today I've tried Snow White's Evil Witch cover makeup for a bit more mean, creepy look for Halloween. Shall we get started? For the base, because the Evil Witch has a super pale and dry skin, I've made a lighter skin tone with the olive colored Tone Up Day cream. This cream gives the matte finish but not too dry, and it also comes with a bit of SPF, which is good. Using a matte finish pink base foundation, cover the whole face to lighten up once again. I will always be using my favorite blender, the Clio Hydro Makeup Sponge, to blend out the matte rich foundation evenly and thinly. To draw up the thick brows from scratch, I've wiped out my brows with concealers, starting with the white one. And for more natural cover, added on the nudie concealer. And then use a fixing powder too. What? Don't worry, that was my witch powder in action. Just fix it with the powder. I always use this gel eyeliner whenever I need to. Draw up thick textured eyebrows for these cover makeups. I've guidelined one side a shoot up to the sky arch and filled it up, drawing each brow hair. I've added some hair around the brows as well as if I have bush brows all over the place. And I've made the other brows similar to the witch, giving a wicked bad guy look. Let's get on to the main event, the wrinkles. Wicked Witch has lots of wrinkles that creates creepy look. Instead of using other materials to create a realistic wrinkles, I've decided to draw them with the brown colored eyebrow pencil to draw up the guideline first. Following the brow shape, I've lined the wrinkles one by one. To add depth to the guidelines, I've used a brown gel eyeliner on the parts where the wrinkles should have more depth. Using the contour colors on this palette, blend out the wrinkles with much care. And using the light tone concealer, I added highlights as well to emphasize the ins and outs. Done with the forehead, onto the lines on the eyes. First, I've dipped my eye hole with the brown gel eyeliner and brown eyeshadow to make the sunken eyes of the witch. Using the same brown shadow, add some dark circles under the eyes as well. And I've mimicked out the nose shape of the evil witch with a thick, long nose bridge and a wider nose with deep black contours. I've wanted to add some highlights at the nose tip, but glitters are no go for this look, so I've used a lighter shade concealer instead. Let's get back onto the eyes again. With a dark brown shadow, sink down the eye sockets more. Add some lines to add more ears on the face. And draw the widespread eye bags too. Although this is a cover makeup of an old witch, I wanted to blend in some purple in this look. You know, the common witch look from the Disney series. I've touched up with purple and burgundy to level up the sunken eye makeup. Connect the colors and the black with the darkest purple. We are almost done with this. To give myself another 20 years of age, I've made the saggy, caved-in cheeks with some wrinkle details around the lips and chin as well. Blend with the contour shadows. Final touches to re-emphasize the wrinkle on the lips with the brown eyebrow pencil. To create poisoned look, I've used a dark plum color lipstick to match with the purple burgundy eyeshadow. But I've made the thinnest lip as possible like an old lady. Oh, cherry on the top. Can't forget the huge wart on the nose. Draw a circle, blend the edges, and highlight the center with the light concealer. final doodles on the neck to express the deep necklines. And we're done. Okay, so this was the second Halloween series makeup, The Evil Witch from Snow White. How was it? Hope you enjoyed my transformation, and if you would like to check out my other Halloween makeup, please click on the icon. If you think our video is worth your love, please press like and subscribe, and comment below to request other transformation videos. We'll be back next week for the last Halloween makeup series with a special guest to make fake scars. Bye beauties, let's be pretty!